This week, while it's on sale, we thought we'd take a look at the new EM200 RGB wired gaming mouse. Now this particular gaming mouse is priced at only £9. That's just over 12 in US dollars. It does have 6 DPI settings, 7 programmable gaming buttons, 13 RGB customizable lighting modes, and what is great about this very affordable mouse is that it also has a tunable weight system too. So inside, what's first noticeable is everything comes very well protected. We have a very clear user setup guide, one black magnetic removable back cover, and indeed we have the EKSA EM200 gaming mouse itself, which I've got to admit looks very striking and quite unique in this red, white and black colour tone. So yes, the design is kind of bold, but it does also have an ergonomic shape too. This mouse is contoured to fit the natural shape of your hand, especially when you've got a relaxed grip, which I hope will help with any type of hand pain for long gaming periods. This EKSA EM200 is suitable for both left and right hands. It has rubberized grip, top, left and right buttons, with 7 programmable buttons in total, consisting of left, right, a nice feeling scroll wheel with mid button built in. We do have to the side the forward and back buttons, and swishing back to the top, we have those DPI buttons too. So yes, 7 programmable buttons to enable you to have superior productivity by assigning all of your macros across those 7 particular buttons. Now as mentioned, we've got those DPI buttons to the top with 6 adjustable DPI settings, all personalised to match the speed of different gaming scenarios for ultra accurate tracking. Before we talk about that adjustable weight system, what's great about this mouse is it does also have a braided cable too, which feels very durable. Through experience, these type of cables do last kind of a long while, and to the end we've got that USB connection. Now the RGB lighting does have 13 RGB customizable modes, with many unique colours. Yeah, it looks very nice. But if we do look back at that magnetic rear cover, you can simply flick it off just like so, first by getting your nail, going to the rear of the mouse and simply pushing up. It should just pop right off. Now as you can see, we've got these little weights that look like watch batteries. No, they're not watch batteries, but what you can do is slide this little cartridge out and you can adjust the weight of the mouse by taking out one of the 6 variable weights. Once you've chosen your specific weight, place the cartridge back in. It should click right into place, and if you want to, swap that back cover, which is magnetically pulled right in on top of the mouse. So yeah, the mouse looks a bit more standard with that black cover in place, so we're going to swap it back to the white version, and we're going to test out on a horror game called Zemblante, which I may add, guys, I've actually set up a brand new, separate gaming channel, and that channel is called Games from the Script. Now I've left a link in the video description, you can check that out after this video, but let's go ahead and test out this EKSA EM200.
Oh, light switch. Okay. That's much better. Phew. So we've got a letter here. Q. Lies. Who's lying? 4, 5, 7. I did not want to do it. Sorry. It's too late. Whatever you did it. He doesn't like cleaning up. Look at the dust. Oh, he loves dogs too. Lassie, go home. Hey, there's another tape there. Is it there? Does that say triple X? Don't watch. Let's get out of the way, shall we? Yeah. What is that? Is that a... Ah! Fucking... Oh my god. Ah! That is some weird little thing, man. Can we knock that off or what? Ah, key. The door key, it says. What the f... What? Change it then. Ah, fucking hell! What? Yo, you know something, you. This has got a nanny cam in it or something.
Alright guys, so we've tested this mount over the past couple of hours, and I got to be quite honest, it is really good. Now the first thing that does stand out is we've tested it over many surfaces, so we've been relaxed at a desk, on a sofa, and even lay on a bed. And most times, if you've got one of those cheap mice, sometimes with that optical sensor below, It will now and again snag and catch itself on certain surfaces. But no, not with this EM200 today. It has a nice smooth surface, it does absolutely glide across my desk without using any type of mouse mat, and does also stay relatively quiet too in the process. Now, without setting any of those personalised buttons up, I've got to be quite honest, straight out of the box, we did have a very good experience just manoeuvring it around on some of the menus on our PC. One thing I absolutely do love is those textured rubberized buttons to the top. They feel very smooth and soft to touch, but one of the most common factors we hate with cheap mice is that some of them do come with a very springy scroll wheel. This one today though on the EM200 feels very solid in hand, superbly responsive, loads of DPI settings to choose from a very steady setting to a super oversensitive setting, which is mostly ideal when you're using this mouse for gaming. Now I do feel that even though this doesn't have a gaming look to it, this mouse does stay relatively classy, that is basing it within a budget range category. For its price, I don't think I've seen one that can match, and in fact my usual mouse that I use for editing, that's now been chucked away in the cupboard, and I think I'm going to be using this consistently from now on. I do love that added cartridge weight function, and you know what, right now I'm going to say this mouse probably just sits within our top 5 gaming mice that we've actually tested up on our channel since we've started. But yes, I can't really find anything to grumble about really. It does feel very durable, it feels like it probably would last quite a long while, and well, today we're going to give it a full 10 out of 10, yes! Now, if you'd like to check this mouse out within the video description and down below, I can 100% suggest this product. It was fantastic during gameplay, perfect for gaming, perfect for everyday computer usage, and I've left the link in the video description where you can check it out for yourself. So yeah, if you have liked what you've seen, well, why not go ahead and go get yours? While you're in that video description, guys, please support this channel right now by subscribing to, this channel. Don't forget though to hit that bell notification option too, so you guys will stay updated on our very next upload. Now, we have been doing a massive amount of EKSA product reviews in the past couple of days, so if you would like to go over to our main homepage, check out some of those previous videos, and we've got a few more coming very, very soon, so stay tuned for them. But as usual guys, please stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!